Welcome to the Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. As immigrants ourselves, we have experienced firsthand the excitement of starting anew while navigating the complexities of life in America. Our podcast was born out of a deep desire to offer support and guidance to others like us, those who are already living here or dreaming of making the leap. Each week, we share 3 thoughtfully crafted episodes that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving professional success and mastering financial literacy. Our mission is simple: to empower you with valuable insights and practical advice as you chart your own path in this diverse land. Whether you're seeking tips on improving your English skills or looking for inspiration on how to thrive in your new environment, we're here for you every step of the way. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA. Welcome to the Immigrants in the United States of America podcast. For the next few months, our podcast episodes published on Mondays will include excerpts from Maestro Sersea's eBook, Steps to Achieving the American Dream, a guide for immigrants in the USA, to help you further understand, be more motivated, and thrive in the United States of America. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Welcome to Maestro Sersea's podcast, Immigrants in the USA, where we share helpful tips and insights to inspire immigrants to thrive and reach their American dream. In today's episode, we will listen to the ebook Steps to Achieving the American Dream, a guide for immigrants to the United States by Maestro Sersea, and will focus on Chapter 1, Understanding the American Dream, including subchapter The Origins of the American Dream and the Evolution of the American Dream. Are you ready? Let's begin. Chapter 1, Understanding the American Dream. The Origins of the American Dream. In order to grasp the roots of the American dream, it is essential to examine the founding principles of this exceptional nation. The United States was built upon the notion of liberty and equality, granting individuals the freedom to pursue their own aspirations and ambitions. This vision attracted people from around the globe who yearned for a better future for themselves and their loved ones. Early immigrants who arrive in the United States traveled with their hopes, dreams, and a strong work ethic. They bid farewell to their homelands and ventured into the unknown, motivated by a desire to construct a brighter tomorrow. These courageous individuals, hailing from diverse backgrounds and cultures, laid the groundwork for the American dream. The American dream was not just an abstract idea or a lofty ideal for these early immigrants. Rather, it was a concrete objective that they aspired to achieve. They firmly believed that in this land of opportunity, success was within their grasp. It was this conviction that propelled them forward and instilled in them the resilience to surmount challenges and hardships. For many immigrants, the American dream encompassed financial prosperity. They viewed America as a place where hard work and talent were rewarded, where they could elevate themselves from humble beginnings to achieve economic success. This desire for upward mobility became an integral part of the American ethos and continues to drive immigrants today. But the American dream was not solely focused on material wealth. It encompassed the ideals of freedom, equality, and the pursuit of happiness. Immigrants sought not only economic prosperity, but also the chance to live a life of dignity, access to education, and the enjoyment of the rights and freedoms granted to them by the Constitution. The American dream is a collective aspiration shared by generations of immigrants who have sought a better life in this country. It is a dream that has evolved over time, reflecting the changing aspirations and challenges of each new wave of immigrants. However, at its core, the American dream remains a symbol of hope and possibility, reminding us that through hard work and determination, anything is attainable. In this subsection, We will delve into the historical origins of the American dream, tracing its lineage from the visionary ideas of the Founding Fathers to the hopes and dreams of early immigrants. By comprehending the roots of the American dream, we can gain a deeper appreciation for its significance and strive to make it our own. I invite you to join me as we embark on this journey into history, exploring the origins of the American dream and gaining insights into the experiences and aspirations of those who came before us. Together, we will uncover the power and potential of the American dream and take the necessary steps to turn it into our reality. The evolution of the American dream. In this subchapter, I aim to explore the intricacies of this evolution, shedding light on how the concept of the American dream has changed over time. It is important for immigrants to grasp this progression, as it will enable them to navigate their own journey towards achieving the American dream with greater insight and clarity. The American dream, as we know it today, originated in the 18th century during the early days of the United States. At that time, it was largely associated with the opportunity for economic prosperity and upward social mobility. The dream represented the promise of owning land, building a comfortable home, and creating a better life for oneself and one's family. It embodied the freedom to pursue happiness and shape one's own destiny without the limitations of social status or class. However, as our nation has grown and developed, so has the American dream. In the midst of industrialization and urbanization in the 19th century, the scope of the dream expanded to include ideas of success and personal fulfillment beyond mere material wealth. The pursuit of education, professional accomplishments, and personal happiness became central to the evolving definition of the American dream. The 20th century brought about even more significant changes, both in terms of societal progress and challenges. The Great Depression and the subsequent world wars shook the foundations of the American dream, causing individuals to reevaluate their aspirations and adjust their dreams. The focus shifted towards the security of a stable job, access to affordable housing, and the well-being of the entire community, rather than just individual success. Moreover, the civil rights movement in the mid-20th century shed light on the stark disparities that existed within our society, prompting necessary discussions about race, gender, and social justice. These conversations had a deep impact on the American dream, broadening its horizons to embrace equal opportunities and access to resources for all individuals, regardless of their background or identity. Today, in the 21st century, the American dream continues to evolve in response to our complex and interconnected world. The influence of globalization, technological advancements, and environmental concerns has all played a role in shaping its interpretation. The pursuit of the American dream now encompasses factors such as authenticity, work-life balance, and sustainable living. In conclusion, the American dream has undergone a remarkable journey of transformation throughout history. It has been shaped by the triumphs and challenges of our nation, adapting to the changing landscape of our society. As immigrants embark on their own pursuit of the American dream, it is crucial for them to understand this evolution and embrace the multifaceted nature of their aspirations. By doing so, they can navigate the obstacles and seize the opportunities that come their way, ultimately achieving their own version of the American dream and contributing to the diverse fabric of our nation.
Thank you for listening to today's episode of our Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. Join us again as we share 3 distinct episodes each week that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving personal and professional success and mastering financial literacy. You are invited to also visit our official website for Immigrants in the USA at www.immigrantsinthe.us. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA.